Today we are going to discuss positioning of Visa card versus positioning of American Express card. How they are, what is the positioning of Visa card and what is the positioning of American Express card, and how they are challenging each other. Visa versus American Express. Visa's card. Visa's point of difference in the credit card category is that it is most widely available card. So Visa, how they have positioned themselves, is most widely available card. Everywhere you go, you will see Visa card. Everywhere you go, Visa card will be accepted, which underscores the category's main benefit of convenience. So Visa card is positioning on the convenience. Visa card is advertising themselves, promoting themselves as it is very convenient. Whenever you go, Visa card will get accepted over the across the boundaries of the nations, countries, various, it worldwide, everywhere you go, Visa card will be accepted. That is convenience. Now American Express card, on the other hand, has built the equity of its brand. So it has got brand equity, American Express card, by highlighting the prestige associated with the use of its card. So if you see in American Express, the word American itself gives you a prestige status symbol. So it has got brand equity, it has got the status symbol. That's why it is highlighting its prestige associated with the use of this American Express card. Visa and American Express now compete to create points of parity by attempting to blunt each other's advantage. So, Visa card is moving slightly gradually towards the prestige, and American card Express slightly gradually moving towards Visa card, that is convenience. So, Visa card is gradually moving towards positioning of status symbol, and American Express card gradually moving towards convenience positioning. So why it is so? To capture the American Express card trying to capture the customers of Visa card, and Visa card is trying to capture the customers of American Express card. Earlier positioning of the Visa card was convenience, and American Express card positioning was status symbol, prestige. Visa offers gold and platinum cards to enhance the prestige of its brand. So now Visa card want to capture the customers of the American Express card. So they want to enhance their product status. So they are offering gold card, platinum card. So by using these words, they are offering some special services, and they are showing that you are our prestigious customers, you are our loyal customers, you are our very important VIP customers. So Visa offers gold and platinum cards to enhance the prestige of its brand, and for years it advertised it. It is everywhere you want to be, showing desirable travel, leisure locations that accept only a Visa card to reinforce both its own exclusivity and its accessibility. So there are some countries, there are some places, areas, shops, retailers who only accept Visa card. So it shows its exclusivity. So Visa card is positioning first on the convenience, second on the prestige or status symbol, and third on the exclusivity wherever you travel. American Express card has substantially increased the number of merchants that accept its cards. So the number of merchants is if it increases drastically, then convenience, they are trying to make that card more convenient, more acceptable, more reliable, and created other value enhancement, while also reinforcing its cachet through the advertising that showcases celebrities such as Robert De Niro, Tina Fey, Ellen DeGeneres, and Boyens, as well as so they are using celebrity endorsement for showing that their card has status symbol, card has prestige, card has uh, luxurious characteristics. and as well as promotions for exclusive access to special events. So in special events only American Express card is acceptable, so that's why you have to use American Express card. So they are also trying to show its exclusivity. Visa card is also trying to show its exclusivity. Visa card is showing some travel destination, some location, some areas in the world where only Visa card is acceptable. So they are showing locations, and here American Express card is showing some events where only American Express card is acceptable. So so they are positioning on the status symbol, they are positioning on the convenience, they are positioning on the exclusivity, and they are also positioning on this status symbol or prestige. So this is all regarding American Express card versus Visa card versus American Express card. So we have covered this convenience, we have covered this. In the first slide it shows that Visa card is positioned as a convenience. In second slide show it is slide it is uh, it is showed that American Express card is focused on the prestige or the status symbol. In third card we discuss that there is they are challenging each other's positioning and trying to get their each other customers. Then we next in the next slide we discuss how Visa card is showing its exclusivity and status symbol, and how they are offering gold and platinum cards by which it's showing that they are also quality brand. They have got brand value. And now American Express card, they are emphasizing more on celebrity endorsement, brand endorse ambassador, and showing that they have got very much prestige, brand equity, and also they are adding merchants and making it more acceptable and focusing on convenience positioning. So this is all regarding the positioning competition between Visa card and American Express card. Thank you so much for watching this video.